Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you are well and doing your homework regularly at home. May God bless us all. Now move on to our today's lecture. It is from chapter number 3, factors and multiple. But before telling you about the next chapter, I have to explain something to you that regarding that question number 6, it is on page number 29 from chapter number 2, question number 6. You have to find the value of that. I had already explained you how you find that, but if you have any problem solving that questions, you can take help from the video which is recently uploaded in your grade 6 videos about distributive law of multiplication over addition and distributive law of multiplication over subtraction. Regarding that video, it is very helpful for you to solve that questions. You can solve that questions and that fill in the blanks as well. So must watch that video and take help from that video. Now move on to our next chapter, which is factors and multiples. First, I am going to explain you about what is the difference between that factors and multiples. So on page number 33, here we have factors. On page number 33, factors. When 35 is divided by 7 or 5, there are no remainder. Therefore, 35 is the product of 7 and 5, or 7 and 5 are the factor of 35. It means that the number which divides a number exactly, it is these all are the factors of that number. Look here, it is the definition of factors: a number that divides another number dividend completely without leaving a remainder is a factor of that number. Look here, as 35 we have an example. Therefore 35 is divided by either 1 or 35. There is no remainder also. Therefore 35 is the product of 1 and 35 as well, or 1 and 35 also are the factors of 35. Here we find four factors of 35, which is 1, 5, 7 and 35 are the factors of 35. The two main important thing which we have to keep in our mind, it is that one is the factor of every number and every number is a factor of itself as well. As we have seen here with 35, that 1 is the factor of every number and 35 is also the factor of itself. Here are some more examples for you. The factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10, because the 10 is totally divisible on 1, 2, 5 and 10. The factor of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Here you have to write the name of the table in which that number is divisible. 12 is divisible on 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. So these all are the factors of the number which we have. Now move on for the multiples. I am going to explain you multiples. Definition of multiple is on page 36. Look here for page 36. On page 36, multiples. Look at the following multiplication tables. This is the table of 5, here is the table of 9 and here is the table of 11. By arranging the products in a row, we get that the table of 5 has 5, 10, 15, 20 and so on 50 multiples. Each number is a multiple of 5. Same like this, all the answers of that tables are the multiples of number 9. All the multiples of table of 11 are the answers of that table of 11 are the multiples of 11. So what are the multiples? A multiple of a number is a number obtained by multiplying that number by any natural number. This is the definition of multiple. Underline it. It means that when we read a table of any number, we can find its multiples. We have to multiply that number with 1, 2, 3 and 4. We find our answer. Just have a look to an example here. It is find the multiples of 4 less than 25. It means that we have to multiply 4 with first 1, then 2, 3, 4 and 5 and multiply it so on till we got our answer less than 25. So 4 times 6 is 24. It means that 4 times 7 is bigger than 25. So the required multiples are only this: 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 and 24. So the multiples of 4 less than 25 are these. Same like this, we have another example. I hope you understand the concept of factors and multiples. So the difference between factors and multiples are, to find the multiples we have to multiply a number with 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and so on, and to find the factor we have to read the table of other natural numbers, that rather this number is divisible on that number or not. Now look, move forward for exercise 3a, which is on page number 38. So our exercise 3a, question number 1 is fill in the blanks. Part 1 is 135 is equal to 12 multiply blank plus dash. It means that we have to find a number which is, when we are going to multiply a number with 12, our answer is, and whatever the answer we have to add it in any other natural number as well. So you have to find any number, keep this in your mind, multiply 12 with 2, 3, 5, 7, 10 or 11 and then add some number on it. You can write other number here as well, no need to write same numbers here. Now move on. For question number 2. State whether the following are true or false. Part 1 is every natural number is a multiple of itself. We had already learned it before that yes, every natural number is a multiple of itself. Part 2, 1 is a factor of every natural number. Yes, 1 is a factor of every natural number. I had explained it to you in the definition of factor. Multiple of 12 are all multiples of 9. Is it so? No, because we have some more numbers which are not the multiples of 9. You can find the multiples of 12 and 9 as well, and then your answer will be clear. Multiples of 8 are all the multiples of both 2 and 4. Yes, it is true, because 8 is an even number and 8 is also, and 2 and 4 are the factors of 8 as well. Read the table of 2 and table of 4. They had all the multiples of 8. So it is true. Move on for question number 3. Write the first 5 multiples of first 17, then 23 and then 47. How you have to do it? Look at the board here. Write question number 3 on the top and then write part 1. It is 17 and then multiply 17 with first 1. You find your first multiple, multiply 17 with 2, you find the second multiple, then multiply 17 with 3, then 4 and then 5, you find your answer. Read the table of 17 in another way, you can say it like this. Now move on for next question number 4. List the multiples of 7 between 10 and 40. So write them all the multiples of 7 and just write the multiples of 7 here which are between 10 and 40. This is your answer. List the multiples of 11 less than 50. Read the table of 11. Read the table of 11 and just write the multiples of 11 which are less than 50. Move on for question number 6. List all the numbers less than 50 which are multiples of both 2 and 3. So write the multiples of numbers of 50 which are multiples of, first write the multiples of 2, then write the multiples of 3 which are less than 50, and then the numbers which are common in both. The numbers which are common in both table, you just write that numbers in your answer list. The multiple of 2 on the rough notebook, multiples of 3 on the rough notebook, and then match them. Which one is the common? Just write the common numbers as the answer of that question number 6. You have to just write the common numbers as the answer of question number 6. Do that 6th question, which is your first video task. Inshallah, we will meet in our next video for the next 6 questions. Allah Hafiz.